Hey guys, Guillermo Fletes here, and today I'm going to show you how to make money using MaxBounty. So, once you have your account of MaxBounty accepted and approved, and you have your account now, you can get started. But if you don't have MaxBounty or signed up for it yet, you can click the link below. I'll send you my affiliate link to sign up for MaxBounty, and you can do it that way. And yeah, after all that talk, we can get started. So once you have your account all set up, now you have to find an offer and promote that offer. So what you want to do is as a starter, you would want to find offers that are more like surveys and have a low EPC. I mean a high EPC but a low payout. So this one has like $2.40 and has to be a lead. When you're starting off, I recommend a lead because it's a lot. You pay less to start getting conversions quick, and for these big type of sales like these, you would have to spend more money to get your money back, I guess, with profit. So after that's been said, I'm gonna go over some ways to to promote your offers and paid and free traffic. So here on my phone, I have a list. One second. Okay. So right now I'm gonna go over paid traffic and making sure my screen's on. Alright, so with paid traffic, you would want to the most popular way is to do PPC traffic, which is pay per click. With Bing ads, it's the cheapest because it owns 30% of the market of the search engine, and Google owns 70%. So a lot of people still go to Bing because it's 30%, which is a lot of people. And yeah, it's the cheapest because Google AdWords is a lot more expensive because it has most people. It's more competitive. So here is Bing ads, and you'll need to sign up for here if you are going to do the paid traffic, which is recommended because you get results and you get conversions a lot quicker, and you can scale it up compared to free advertising. You make the most money with paid advertisements. So what you want to do is with Bing ads, you would want to search up Bing ads coupon, and you would want to go to this where it says toolsseobook.com and find the country you're in and click the coupon. Then it will take you here, and once you sign up here, you should be able to redeem this $100 coupon. And if you do not have $100 after you spend $25, if you do not have the coupon, make sure you contact support and they'll make sure to fix that problem. So that's one way of PPC. Another way is called Facebook ads. You can do it with Facebook ads, but it's not going to be as cheap as Bing ads. And you can do Facebook ads. You can do Google AdWords, which is more expensive, like I said. And you can also like pay big Instagram pages that have like over 1 million followers. And if you have like a gym offer, or you're like lifting weight offer type of supplement type of thing, you can promote those and pay a page similar to that offer, such as like a weightlifting page. You can do that. And yeah, that's for paid traffic. Now for free traffic, you can literally make YouTube videos explaining, like for example, this one, car loans. You can give good value on give good value or help them with car loans and give them some good information that they would like, and then do a call to action in the video and say, if you want more information about this or interested in blah blah blah, just click the link below and you should take that them to this offer. And they're all free organic. And good thing with YouTube is that video can go viral, or it can get like a lot of views. Even if you get 100 views, you can get at least one person to give you one lead. So for this one, the survey, you can be like, make a video showing you, also if you guys don't know anything about car loans and you just like have no idea about anything about it, you can just search up on Google car loans and like just do a little bit of research and pretend like you know what you're talking about. And yeah, so with my survey, you can make a video like how to make money as a teenager for free or whatever, and just say the top 5 ways to make money as a kid or something, and put this as one of those top 5, and say while you're explaining that top 5 my survey making money method, just say click the link below. I'll have a link below to make money with my surveys. And yeah, that's pretty much one free way to do that. Another way is to go on Instagram and make an Instagram account, and you can make like a weightlifting page or weightlifting page and promote weightlifting products or offers, and do the same for like beauty and promote beauty products. And one great way, there's something called the 500 Cash Club offer. You can make a Instagram page saying in your bio, put in learn how I make $100 per day on autopilot or something like that, and then say click the link below. And in Instagram bio, you would want to put in your website, and you would want to put this website right here. So put that into your Instagram link, into your Instagram profile, put that link in there, and you would take them to this page. They would see all this, they would put their email, and if they feel confident enough, they would pay $105 per sale. And you gotta be consistent if you want to do the free traffic, because it's not gonna be that easy. Well, it could be that easy, but I mean, it is easy on YouTube at least, but you gotta be consistent if you really want to get these type of sales. Paid traffic, like with paid traffic, you can get like immediate conversions, and it's just more passive and controllable, I guess. You know, it's gonna convert. So it's just free traffic is just a lot harder, and yeah, it's just a lot harder. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. Yeah, I think I covered pretty much it. There's a lot of more other free ways to make money with MaxBounty and paid traffic. You can, for paid traffic, you can also pay people that own websites and say, hey, can I put my ads on your website? And you guys can negotiate a price. So yeah, these were just a few of paid traffic and free traffic I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want a free ebook to show you guys how to make money for beginners with MaxBounty, you can click the link below, and I'll send you a free ebook that will show you how to make money for beginners. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys can also join my Facebook group that I have that I've just created. So it's private, but I'll most likely accept you. So just click the link below to join the Facebook group as well, and we'll talk about money making strategies on there, and just helping each other out with CPA and affiliate marketing, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share this video with your friends and family, and leave me a comment if you guys have any questions. And I'm out, guys.